Today we are going to install a 60 by 60 tub door double slider. We have fixed panel seal, door seal, lower cross tape, rim, anti-splash threshold, rollers, anti-jumping knob, guide block, wall mount, towel bars. Soft close system pre-installed. We need a level, measure tape, a knife, spanner, screwdriver, pan, silicone. First, we measure the opening of the shower, cut the top and lower rim accordingly. Measure the height. The bottom hole is 57.9 inches. These two holes are 1.18 inches. Mark these 2 points. Tighten these two screws. Make sure they are vertical. Push the wall bracket inside. Make sure it's secured. Put anti-splash threshold on top, then seal it with silicone. Place the guide block in the middle and secure with the drill. Cap it with the cap. Installing the roller, secure it with the Allen key. Put the cap back on. Press the lower cross tape into the glass panel. Put the shower panel roller on top of the top rail and make sure it's also inside the guide block. Make sure the clear shield glass sticker is facing inward. Adjust the roller height with the Allen key. Installing anti-jumping threshold with the Allen key. Place soft close gadget in place and secure the 4 screws with Allen keys. Adjust the height of the jumping knob and make sure it can touch the soft close gadget, and then tighten with an Allen key. Now the soft close gadget is working. Place the cap back in. Screw the cap. Push in the door seal. Press in the fixed panel seal. Installing the tower bar. Now the top door is perfectly installed.